So you can see the yams have turned golden brown. Even the potatoes, these are potato runners. It has turned golden brown, making it, telling you that it is ready for harvest. All these my ropes will come out and keep for me. Turn golden brown. This is the yam. Hope so they never dig out this one. No.
No.
I get potatoes plenty for here. Even for inside, not necessarily on top the hips. Some no grow on top the hips. This one has dried up. The yam is over ready. So tomorrow we are coming to harvest. That's all turned golden brown. We'll also be harvesting most of the beans. The beans is ready. The only ones that part of the beans that is not ready is the part that we planted late. But as you can see, they are all dried up. Most of it are dried up and ready for harvest. Oh God, what a year. Jesus. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching me from across the world. My name is Omenoko Emeka Moses of the Omenoko Lifestyle channel. As you can see, all the yams leaves and the sweet potato leaves have turned golden brown, telling you it's ready for harvest. It's ready for harvest. I'll flip the camera so you can see. But look at it. Golden brown. This red is drying up. So tomorrow we're coming here to harvest both the yams and the sweet potatoes. And also the beans we'll be harvesting. I did some pre-harvest of beans yesterday. And also some sweet potatoes which I've been eating. The potatoes I did it earlier. I harvested some potatoes earlier. I've been eating it. But tomorrow we're going to come and get everything out. Both the ones here and the ones at the other side we'll be harvesting. What a run. What a run. There'll be food in my house. Yeah, there'll be food in my house. I'm so happy. It wasn't easy, but it was worth it. Let me see the quantity of yam tubers I'm going to get, and also the quantity of beans I'll get. Let's see what it is. I will not harvest all the beans right away because the later beans I planted are not ready. You know, I planted beans first, then after they sprouted, after a week or two, I came and replanted the ones that didn't sprout. So those ones I replanted are not ready. We'll only for now harvest the ones that are ready. Yeah. I'm going to the other side. I planted beans. Let me go and check the status. But tomorrow we're harvesting all yams and sweet potatoes. It's going to be a feast. Today is 14th of November 2024. Harvest came earlier than I thought. Rain has stopped. Let's see what we have. I'm at the second side where I planted beans. These ones are not ready at all. This was where I planted granules earlier. You can see the beans here didn't do too well though. But even at that, they are not ready. The beans is not ready. It's still green. So we won't be harvesting these beans right away. We'll be leaving it for later. It's not ready. Give it another like 2 weeks for it to be ready. So another reason why someone should harvest early is because, and once you're harvesting your crop, you harvest everything at once. Why? Because if you don't harvest everything at once, this place that we are, the cattle rearers, they will come and enter your farm and eat the remaining things. So when you're harvesting, you harvest everything at once. You know, because of the hunger in the land, also people have started entering people's farms to steal tubers and all that. Thank God this place, people are around this area where we're farming, so we can easily monitor the farm. There are cases of people going into people's farm and stealing their yam tubers and potatoes, and also harvesting beans, but that one is more difficult to steal. But the yams and potatoes, it's easier. The beans is more difficult. So yam potato is very easy. You just dig up the heap and pack as much as you can. Just yesterday, we some people were stopped from using their cattle to graze farms in this area. The people that own the cow had to come and settle, pay compensation. I mean, it's part of the things you see. So when you're harvesting, you try as much as possible to harvest everything at once, so that people no go enter your farm, go chop the remaining one we did there. Yeah, so I'm going to show you the video of the harvest tomorrow.